Hello and welcome back, dear friend. Today I am bringing you warm wishes on this beautiful occasion. It's a magical time of the year. Again, Merry Christmas to everyone watching. Christmas is a season of love and joy and kindness. So, guys, if you are new to here and you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing designs. All the designs are unique, trendy, and beautiful. In today's video, I'm talking about Christmas decoration ideas in different styles, color combination, and sizes. It brings families and friends together with smiles and laughter. Homes shine with lights and hearts glow with hope. The Christmas tree becomes a symbol of uh, celebration and togetherness. Gifts are wrapped not just in a paper but with love and care. Children wait for Santa and adults cherish and memories. It's a perfect time to say thank you and show gratitude. Share your blessings with those in need. It's a true spirit of Christmas. Bake cookies, sing colors, and enjoy every little moment. Let your heart be light and your days with Mary. No matter where you are, let Christmas bring your space. May your home be filled with laughter and your soul with love. This season is about giving more than receiving. Let's forgiveness and kindness guide us into the new year. Make beautiful memories and spread happiness everywhere you go. Even a simple smile can be the best Christmas gift. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. In today's video, I'm talking about Christmas decoration ideas in home decorations, living rooms, and outdoor ideas in different styles, color combination, and sizes. So please guys, watch this video till the end. If you like any design, then please take the screenshot of it. And if you want to more home interior designs and decoration ideas at your home, so you can please visit my channel and also do try my amazing home decoration ideas and Christmas decoration ideas at your home. So guys, if you like any design, then please take the screenshot of it. And if you are new to here and you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing videos. Children wait for Santa and adults create cherries and memories. It's a perfect time to say thank you and show gratitude. And thank you so much for your support and your love, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. Thanks a lot for spending your time with me. So guys, if you like the video, then please comment in a comment section what do you like the most. So please guys, watch this video till the end. See you tomorrow in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.